People are already popping the champagne for Alibaba's big IPO, John. But hello, people. Corporate governance, it's not stacking up to be something that investors are really going to have a big say in.
Yeah, corporate governance is a little bit less sexy than the gigantic growth rates that Alibaba is reporting. This company is China's dominant e-commerce platform. It shifted almost $250 billion worth of stuff last year. But what worries us is the fact that the founders, Jack Ma and Joseph Chai, have a lot of control. They can basically push the company around by virtue of a partnership structure through which they and a few other insiders will nominate a majority of directors on the board. And it's very hard to go against their wishes.
So two people are having huge control of this company, and when we get down to valuation, we don't know exactly how big it's going to be yet. People say it will rival Facebook in size.
Well, there are lots of numbers floating around. The company's own internal valuation that we've extrapolated from the IPO filing suggests that they think it's worth $116 billion. At Breakingviews, we ran a calculation in February, and we came up with a number of $113 billion, so pretty close. But really the question is how exuberant the market's feeling and what kind of discount, if any, it's prepared to put on the company because of these unorthodox governance structures.
So overall, how is this stacking up for investors? Something they really should get into, or too much internet fever and not enough control?
Well, look, if you're interested in the Chinese consumer story, you really have to own a part of Alibaba. It's got 84% of the online shopping market, according to last year's data, and really it's growing faster than any company you'll find comparably anywhere else in the world. So really, most funds that have exposure to China are going to want a piece of the stock. The risk is that they're so desperate to get in there that they'll pay whatever the company asks, and the valuation will start to spiral upwards and out of control.
Big IPO, Alibaba on its way, but there are some risks. Watch out.